half model of Australia II. I've had this project on the back burner for a little bit too long. I'm gonna try to get some white paint on it today. So I'm working on this is an example on how not to make a half model, because I had the keel and the piece between the keel and the hull and the rudder and the hull as separate pieces, and it was just not the way to do it. So the next one I will make sure I print everything in just two pieces and glue together. So sorry Rob if it's taking too long. It's at least being worked on today. So this is after quite a lot of sanding, but she's have a little bit to fix here, and I want this line here to be really noticeable, but it's getting there. I hope Rob will like it. Australia II half model side project. KZ7 has been a little bit on the back burner. I do have the problem of having to work 8-hour work days during the day still, another 8 years or 10 years, but she's coming along fine. I'm hoping to get primer on her in I would say 2 weeks. I also have to start work on my big boat. My God, it's turned out to be a nice day. Spring in Sweden is wonderful when the weather is like this. Pretty boring this morning though. I'm also into tugboats. This is one that I bought semi-finished. I have found a new prop for it. 13 centimeters diameter, huge prop. And I also bought a new motor for it. Oh, this boat is a bit dusty, but this is my Valkyrion. And if you go into my YouTube channel, you can see videos when we run this, or we take it out. It's built by a Danish guy, and I traded it with a model car that I put together, and it's a really nice build. It's made of metal from tin cans, and it's a pusher tug, so you have the tower, so they can push barges with it. I have bought a new prop for it, as you can see, and I think on it is a 3D printed prop that I made. I have better capabilities now, so I could 3D print a much better prop for it, but this is 2 or 3 years ago since I made this. So this is the overflow room, and you can see my IOM. I didn't build, I bought it. And then on top, this Jan Swarbrick design 6475 that was tank tested but never built, and then below is KA15 or Kookaburra 3. I love these boats. I think they're so pretty. I will take them down and do a refresh on them this spring. Just been so busy with different projects. What are you doing there? You're slacking? Are you slacking, boy? Hey. And Liberty and Australia II are being worked on. I have had I had a friend's boat here for a refit last week, and I spent almost 10 hours on his boat. And then my wife has an allotment, so I'm also helping her so we can sell it. The jib there was it's not for that boat, so it's not. It looks terrible, so sorry about that. I meant to take these boats out today, but my brother, who I needed to have help with to carry them, he has injured his back, so you're gonna have to wait for those pictures. And I've been working on this today. This is a jib for a mini rival in works. That's for my buddy Jonas. And this is the mainsail for Peter, my buddy Peter. He wants new sails for the regatta we have next Saturday, or this coming weekend, the 10th of May. So I promised him I'll have this ready by then, or before, so he can test it. And as you can see, the sheet system and rudder servo and everything is in Liberty. So once I have some time to make some stuff for myself, I will make a set of sails for Liberty. Hopefully within, I would say, 2 to 3 weeks I should have this done. I also need, you can see here that this is fairly loose, and this is an old wire that I had that's PVC coated, and I'm gonna replace it with a 316 wire that I bought from Australia. I have also put together a new mini rival and built a completely new rig for it. So this is a hobby for me. So it's not when sometimes it's nice to take a little break from a project, and now I started the KZ7. Hopefully I will have the mold for it ready within a couple of months, but I'm not on a time schedule. I do this because I enjoy doing it, and here you can see that I'm prepping a couple of sheet systems for fellow mini rival sailors, and well, you can see on this this is polyamide 12 with carbon fiber, and the same for these other black parts. Super strong, and it's a test if it's strong enough. I think it is. It feels like aluminum. So thank you for watching, and if you want to give me a thumbs up, I'm thankful for that. And more 12 news in the next video. Thank you. Bye.